Hey everyone, this is Suzanne, and this is my short little video about what part of a funeral service, I guess you could say, I prefer, or not really prefer, but I'm more intrigued by. And with my background history as being a paramedic for the last 20 years, I've always been somewhat, I know, maybe morbidly sounding, interested in like the removal of the remains. I guess because I've been there when the funeral homes have come and picked them up, and I'm just amazed by how professional and caring and just the decorum of the directors and the ones that come and pick them up. It just amazes me. And I want to be able to be that kind of person. It just, the process of taking that information from whomever calls to give out the first call, and taking that information, and whoever's giving that information, which I've been on that end also, where I've called funeral homes to give out that information, and it's very humbling for me. And so now, working on being on the other side of the phone call and on the other side, per se, of the removal of the remains, and being the one to do that process, it's I can't think of the right word, but it's humbling. It's I don't know another way to put it, but that part is hard. I mean, like I said, I've been there when it was from a hospital, or when it's been from a home, or when it's been from the interstate, when a person was hit by a vehicle, and watching those funeral directors, those funeral professionals, picking up pieces, morbidly saying, pieces of a human off the road, and doing it with dignity, just amazes me. I hope that I'm able to be that type of person, that I will be able to stand up to what I've seen and be someone that amazes someone on the other side, an ambulance personnel, or a nursing home person. That's what I want to be, and that's what really gets me and intrigues me, is that portion of the process. I hope this is informational for y'all. I hope this is good enough. I don't really know. It's a little different for me, but I hope y'all enjoy, and thanks.